Hello YouTube. In this tutorial we will see how to download Ubuntu Server and install on VMware Workstation on Windows 10. So open your browser and type Ubuntu down servers, click on servers, download Ubuntu Server, choose your server, which one you want to download. For this tutorial I'll download 4.16 version. Download has started. So I have already downloaded the server, so I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to start my VMware Workstation. Double click on VMware Workstation. Create new virtual machine. Next. Here you can select I will install the operating system later. Next. Click on Linux and choose your operating system which you want to install. So in this case we will select Ubuntu 64-bit. Next, name your server Ubuntu Server 16. Browse directory. So in this partition I'm going to make a new folder called Ubuntu VM. Next, so I'm going to give the space around 30 GB. Next, click hardware customization. Increase your RAM. I'm going to provide 4 GB, which is going to be 4096 MB. Click on CD DVD. Use ISO image. Browse the location of your downloaded Ubuntu file. Since I have downloaded it already, so I'm going to choose it from my download folder, Ubuntu desktop. I think it is in download. Yes. Yeah. Select disk image file. Open. Once. Okay. Now close. Finish. Once the setting is configured, click power on this virtual machine. Okay, click your mouse inside this window and press enter. Then again you can scroll the options. So in this case we will go with the install Ubuntu server. Enter. Choose your language. So I'm going to choose English default. Next. Region. So I'm in India, so I'm going to choose my region, India. Next. You can choose yours. Default layout, no. Default, enter. US English, yes, enter. Yes, enter. Keyboard layout. It's taking quite a while. Okay, the host name you can provide any host name. By default it's Ubuntu. So I'm going to provide my hostname example test, tap for continue, enter. Full name of the new user, so I'm going to give test, continue. Username for your account, test, continue. Choose a password. I'm going to provide test, continue, test, continue. Yes, continue with a weak password, but you can provide the strong password. Click next. Encrypt your home directory. No. Yes, it is correct time zone. If it is incorrect, choose your time zone. Yes. So here it is a partitioning method. You can go with the guided use entire disk, but I'm going to select manual partition. Press enter. Select the partition. Enter. Create a new directory partition. Partition table on this device. Yes. Press enter. The new partition has been created. So select that partition. Free space. Create new partition. Enter. It's 32 GB. So we need to create first boot partition 1020. I'm going to provide 1024 MB or GB, it will take same. Primary, beginning, and change the mount point to boot. Done setting up the partition. Now select the free space again. Press tab, enter, create new partition, and now let's make a swap. So we have given 4 GB, which was 4000. 1024 into 8, 4192. 8192, 8 GB. You can directly 8 GB. Primary, beginning, use as. Here you can select journal and swap area. Done. You have created boot partition and swap. Now we will give the rest free space to root. Next, primary, root. Done. So we have created slash boot, swap, and slash partition. Finish. Yes. Save the changes. Yes. It is collecting all the information based on our selection. Okay, it's asking for proxy information. We are not going to set up any proxy information, so tap down to the continue and press enter. Okay, on this window it's asking how do you want the updates. No automatic updates, install security updates automatically, manage system with landscape. So in this case I'm going to select no automatic updates. Okay, stay focused in here. It's asking to choose the softwares to install. So by default it is selecting standard system utilities. So we are going to check mark this OpenSSH server, tap continue. Install grub bootloader to the master boot record. Press enter yes. It's updating boot records. To free your mouse, press Ctrl Alt. Okay, installation has completed. It's asking to remove CD-ROM, DVD media and anything. So we don't have any DVD media connected. Press continue. System will restart. It's booting up. Okay, there it is. You have created a test user, so type test. The password is test. Logged in, right? Clear the screen. Check your IP address. If config the IP address of your LAN card. You can minimize and access your server with putty 192.168.152. .128, sorry. One 92.168. Forgetting the IP address 152.128. Ubuntu safe open yes test clear. Thank you for watching.